friends, welcome to our channel Mathematics by Fana. Today let us see the 8th question of exercise 11.1, areas related to circles. The horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square-shaped grass field of side 15 meters by means of a 5-meter rope. Find the area of the part of the field in which the horse can graze and the increase in grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meters. They have given the side of the square as 15 meters. To an end, the horse is tied to a peg and it can graze along the radius, that is along the arc of the circle. It is given that a horse is tied to a corner of a square to a peg by means of a 5-meter long rope. So now we can consider, as the horse is tied to the corner by a 5-meter long rope, it can travel along the circumference of a circle in the field, which leaves us with a quadrant of a circle. This is the horse. It can graze on either side of the square field and make a quadrant from it. And the radius of the quadrant becomes 5 meters because the rope becomes tight when the horse moves to the maximum area. So taking this into consideration, we'll find the first subdivision answer. Area of field grazed by the horse is 90 by 360 into pi r square. That is 1 by 4 into 3.14 to radius square is 5 into 5. 3.14 can be written as 314 divided by 100 into 5 into 5. 5 2s are 10, 0. 5 4s are 20. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. So we have left out with 157 divided by 8. On further dividing we get 8 1s are 8, 8 9s are 72, 5 0, 8 6 are 48, 2 0, 8 2s are 16, 4 0, 8 5s are 40. So we are left with 19.625 meters square. Now the second part of the question is, they have increased the grazing area of the rope, by increasing the length of the rope to 10 meters. So now the radius becomes as 10 meters. The second part of the question, area of grazed part is 90 by 360 into pi r square, where here r is 10 meters. 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. To 1.57. On further dividing we are left with 157 divided by 2, that is 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 10.5 meters square. This is the larger area. We have to find the increase in grazing area. We will find that by subtracting the smaller number from the larger area. Area of increase in grazing area is equal to area identified in second question minus area identified in first question. That is 78.5 minus 19.625. On subtracting 78.5 minus 19.625, we get 57885. So we are left with the answer as 58.875 meters square. So therefore the area of increase in grazing area is 58.875 meters square. Thank you. Happy learning.